Today we have a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of the video is Teen's Brilliant Escape Plan Ruins His Life in Minutes.
No pedestrians, still no pedestrians, we're going through the park.
Slow down here.
White traffic, no pedestrians.
Ooh!
Crash, send rescue!
When officers receive an alert about a stolen car, a routine traffic stop spirals into a reckless chase, where the suspect will go to any lengths to not surrender.
On the f***ing ground! Get on the f***ing ground now!
Around 10:17 a.m. on August 29th, 2023, West Allis police officers receive a flock alert that a stolen silver Kia Sorento has been spotted near Lincoln Avenue in Wisconsin. But as they move in on the vehicle, the driver suddenly tries to take off, sparking a chase that's about to shake up the entire neighborhood.
Gonna go south on 7-6.
Hey, from that.
Copy, anyone near me?
Yeah, we're
Gas station shell, pursuit. And we're gonna go west on Lincoln. North on 7-7 from Lincoln. Pedestrians are medium. We're gonna go, passenger is bailing out, black male, orange, 7-8 and Grant. Stay there. Black male, no shirt, passenger, orange pants, 7-8 and Grant. He's staying there right now. Going north on 7-7, and we're gonna go west on Beecher from.
You know what? That's the smartest thing that I've ever seen somebody do. And you know, I don't like to stop it this early into it, but man, you never see that. The driver let the passenger out. The passenger did not run. He not getting in trouble. This is all on the driver. And good for that driver for at least letting his boy out. Like, come on, man. You want to run? You don't get me caught up in your mess, man. And he's just going to sit right there.
West on Beecher from 7-7.
The suspect is an 18-year-old male who has just dropped off his 19-year-old male friend before continuing to flee. And as more officers join the pursuit, his driving only grows more reckless, blowing through traffic laws.
And north on 7-8 from Beecher.
Move, mother move!
Speeds are about 45.
Chasing for a stolen vehicle, and might be bailing. He's going through yards at westbound 7 on Rogers from 7-8 on the sidewalk. No pedestrians. Black male. South on 7-9 from Rogers. No pedestrians. Going about 40. Went through a bunch of yards. Speed's about 45.
They went south on 7-8. Good go. It's gonna go back westbound on Lincoln.
Hold up. Lincoln from that was what I was looking at too. Thanks. Think you went south.
As the pursuit continues, officers try deploying stop sticks to bring the vehicle to a halt. But the teen's erratic driving and sudden turns allow him to swerve away in a different direction at the last second, making each attempt unsuccessful.
South on 80th. Here's an 8. Go back west on 8th.
Jump in, get behind him. You got it?
I'll take out, calling out now. There's another spot in front of me. We're going to be going south on 82 from 8.
Traffic light, pedestrians light. Once again, stolen vehicle. Come up to the dead end on A2 by McCarty.
Slow down.
Robert Charles. You're going to have to bail here. They go east to the park.
Stick with him. Yep.
Call it out, going south through McCarty Park on the path as of right now.
No pedestrians. Still no pedestrians. We're going through the park.
I'll let you know if there's any pedestrians. None as of right now. No pedestrians.
We're going to be heading out onto Beloit.
18 years old.
Probably wrong lanes here.
Try and cross over and get into the eastbound lanes.
And he's getting back in, going south from Beloit on to Honey Creek. South on Honey Creek, going to be coming up to 7-6. It's probably 60 to 70 right now.
Slow down here.
White traffic, no pedestrians.
Oh my
Crash! Send rescue! Stick.
Crash,
Let's go.
6 Honey Creek.
Running! Yeah, one running. Wait, right here. He's through the yard.
How's that kid even got the energy to run?
He's still going
I would be so dazed.
Across the creek, up into... Get on the ground! In the creek, in Honey Creek. On the f***ing ground! Get on the f***ing ground now! On the f***ing ground! Back north from the bank. East now. On the f***ing ground! You went back in here! Back in here! Stop! Stop, police! Stop, police! Get on the f***ing ground! Get on the ground! He's coming back west! Get on the f***ing ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! 26, I got him behind the house here! Behind the house! I got him! 747. Get the address! Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Okay, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Go get the address. Hands behind your back! 26, I got one. Hands behind your back. No, we'll get an ambulance for you. Man, it's stupid. You got anything illegal on you? Is this the only one? That's the one I saw bail in the car. My cousin ran over. Right here. Got him in custody.
Custody, in custody.
Stop reaching. Oh, okay. Stop reaching. Okay. We'll get you in an ambulance, okay? You're just fine. Can you sit down, please? No, you're going to walk up to the front yard. You want to help on the other side here, bud? Pull up his pants.
I got it.
Hey, you like this?
Yep, right in here. I lost sight of him coming around.
Still in the clean vehicle.
Get into a rescue here. All right, you can have a seat on the curb, young man.
20 squads. We have the driver at the crash scene.
Young man, this guy's a freaking animal.
But his tactics won't last for long. While the chase may be over, the situation is far from settled. If officers think they can now start gathering details from the 18-year-old, they're in for a surprise, because despite his injuries from the crash, he isn't even ready to give up his name.
I wasn't driving, sir. I was trying to go home to South Milwaukee. I just bailed out. He left me. He's dark-skinned.
Why are you taking your pants off?
You have a rescue coming to 7420 Bennett.
Will do now.
Get that black male laceration in the face. He's the guy that was running from the car.
Hey, man, what's your name? The fire department's going to need to know it.
Is the garage B?
Yeah, man, we got an ambulance coming on you. You got a split on your forehead, okay? Whatever happened, okay? You got a cut on your knee.
He left me. I was trying to go home, sir.
I'm not worried about that now. I need to identify you.
I was trying to go home. I want to talk to my lawyer.
No, that doesn't work. We need to identify you.
And remain silent.
You don't get to remain silent when we ask you your information.
I'm a minor.
That's fine. We still need to identify you, okay? You don't have to say anything else, okay? We still need to identify you, man. That's fine. I don't care about that. We need to know who you are for the fire department, okay? Do you understand that? We'll talk to you about everything else. If you don't want to make a statement, that's fine. Okay, but you rubbing your cut open, that's just going to continue to make it bleed. We need to know who you are, sir. You have to at least identify yourself. If you don't want to say anything else, that's fine. You're under arrest right now.
I wasn't driving.
I don't care. It's neither here nor there, sir. We need to identify you, and you're still in custody, okay? So you need to tell me your name, your first name, your middle initial.
My head.
Officers already know that the 18-year-old is lying, but as he refuses to identify himself, another unit tracks down his 19-year-old friend at the spot where he was dropped off, hoping he can fill in the gaps about the stolen car and the teen behind the wheel.
You all right, ma'am? All right.
They tell him to drop me off for 2 hours now.
What's that?
They tell him to drop me off for 2 hours now.
Who is that guy? Do you know him or no?
Don't know him.
You got any weapons on you, man?
No.
You don't mind if I check?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, so.
All right, you want to grab your ID out?
Yeah, no ID.
No ID? Okay.
Yeah,
What's going on with him?
Talk to my mama, like she'll tell you I've been at house 24/7. He just got out of jail not too long ago. It was crazy. And for a whole 2 hours straight, I've been telling him, let me out. He said the police car right there. Let me out. He waited till we get right here for me to actually get out. He told me wait right here. Walked over here. This is where we at now.
All right. What do you know him by?
I don't know him by
What's his nickname? What does it go by?
Nothing. We had a park and just get in the car with him. And he got locked up not too long ago. You know, I'm just trying to tell him, like, he can't be doing this. He pull off. My first time getting out and to get to some stuff like this is really crazy.
While the friend claims he doesn't even know the 18-year-old's name, officers will later learn otherwise through his mother. For now, as the teen refuses to identify himself, another unit turns its attention to the crash site, checking for damage and making sure no one else is hurt.
I wasn't driving.
Sir, you need to identify yourself.
I wasn't driving.
It doesn't matter if you're a passenger or a driver. You're still under arrest.
I wasn't driving.
You're still under arrest. Stop reaching in your waistband. stop.
You want me to check him? You want me to check him more?
I'm hurt. I don't have anything.
Sir, you need to identify
I don't
yourself.
have anything.
Okay, doesn't matter if you're a driver or the passenger.
What's going on?
I need help.
You okay, ma'am?
I'll come talk to you in a couple minutes.
I don't care if you got warrants. I don't care if you're on paper. Then what? Why can't you tell me your name? Huh?
I'm on bond. I just got out. He was taking me home.
So you got an open case? Okay, so then you should be able to tell me your name.
No.
Okay, well then that's another charge.
I remain silent. I want to talk to my lawyer.
No, you still need to identify yourself.
I can't even open my eyes.
That's fine, sir. Okay.
Turn your body cameras on.
It's on already.
I can't see. I was off of melatonin.
Oh, okay.
I'm off melatonin.
You guys okay?
Off of melatonin.
What car did he crash into? This one?
No, that one over there.
120, 115 Junior. You'll be riding the ambulance with the offender to the hospital.
Thankfully, the driver whose vehicle was hit doesn't suffer any serious injuries, only some body soreness, but is still taken to the hospital as a precaution. Meanwhile, things remain tense for the 18-year-old and his friend, who continue to hold back when it comes to revealing.
He lucky because that was a nasty crash, boy. That was a nasty crash. And this guy right here who, man, I was giving him props in the beginning. I'm like, okay, this is cool. You know, actually, you never see this. When guys are splitting off, taking off and all, this guy got out, no problems. But then you go to lying and saying all this BS, man. You don't know who he is, but you just hopped in the car. You know, you try to tell him this, you know, be easy. You just got out on bond, you know. But you don't know who he is. You might as well just say nothing. Just say nothing, because that story right there don't even sound right, man.
His identity.
Young man, you still need to identify yourself. You don't get to just remain silent.
My lawyer.
No, it doesn't work like that, man. We're not asking you accusatory questions. We need to identify you for our investigation and the fire department's case. No, doesn't matter. You're still going to go to jail. We still need to identify you, okay?
See you in jail.
What?
I'll be in jail.
Dude, you look like you're concussed. You're bleeding pretty bad.
You got dumped off right over here, right? Right off, he said, you know.
And you stayed here, right?
Yeah, I'm waiting on my mom, but yeah, she,
Okay.
you know, I ain't.
I'm out with passenger. Do we want him for anything? He's super cool. Okay, sounds good. All right.
Not for the guy, you know, I'm late. You know, like 80K, 100K, you know, I get.
Really?
Yeah, 50K.
That's a lot. And they're twerk songs?
Yeah, twerk songs. Yeah. Like,
He likes to twerk.
He likes to twerk?
Yeah.
Not when I'm working.
I
do it when I'm not
I have to let you listen to a couple songs.
All right, just go ahead and put your hands behind your back. You're not under arrest for this right now, okay? You got a PRable warrant with us. I got to take you in. I got to take care of that, okay? All right. You know what it's for? It's for curfew violation of all things.
Curfew.
Come on.
Kilo gets out.
Stayed up too late?
The passenger will have a lot more questions waiting for him once he gets to the station. For now, the 18-year-old driver is still refusing to give up his name or take any responsibility for the chase and the crash. With him still keeping his mouth shut, officers come up with another way to identify him once medics arrive on scene.
All right, your chariot is here, sir. What?
I told him to pull over.
Okay.
And the guys that set the police is behind me.
He's got to go to the hospital, so may as well get the cot. No, he's refusing to identify. Do you have better luck? Good.
Give me stretcher.
I might go get the fast ID real quick because he's refusing to identify. Yeah. All right, sir, we need your finger.
What's that?
Officers finally confirm the 18-year-old's identity as he's transported to the hospital to be checked out. Other units canvass the neighborhood for damage. They also deploy a canine for an article search to see if he discarded anything while fleeing on foot. Most residents report no serious damage, and the canine search turns up nothing suspicious. As the crash scene starts to clear, the corporal heads to the station to question the teen passenger and confront him about the details he initially kept from officers.
Do you know what kind of car you were in?
No, I don't know the job, sir. I'm 19. I don't know the job.
Yeah, but you don't know what.
I don't know my car.
You don't remember what car you were in, though? You remember what color it was?
No, he ain't had the right car. At the place, I was telling him the place for the window. He didn't even know.
What do you say about the window?
Can you fix this window? Like bro. This is bro. The ignition is not in the car. Like,
Okay.
Feel me? Like this is.
So you assumed it was stolen based on the window being broken and the steering column being peeled?
I know it. I knew it was stolen.
You knew it was stolen?
Yeah, I knew it was stolen, bro.
Okay.
No, I wouldn't bullshit.
Did he say it was stolen?
He telling them that somebody this is my mom's car, somebody but started window. You know, you telling the people at the
Said it was his mom's car?
Yeah.
What do you know him by? What's his nickname?
I don't know a name. I don't know it.
You never knew a name on him?
Never knew a name. Like, that's what I'm saying.
All right, come on, man. I just talked to your mom upstairs.
He's a Stoley boy.
Okay, I get it. He's a Stoley boy, but what does he go by?
I don't really know.
What's his real name? Come on, you know. I just talked to your mom. She already knows his name.
That's not. I wouldn't bullshit you.
I think you are right now, though, man. She says you guys went to high school at Washington High School. I already know his name, man.
No, I heard the name in the car.
What was the name you heard in the car?
Last name, first name, Tehran.
Tehran?
Yeah.
What does he go by, though? How do you know him?
I don't know. That's the name.
I already know the answer to this question, man. Come on.
I'm already. It's people that I talk to on a daily basis. People that just shake hands. People that just.
All right, you know him as TJ, don't you?
We see each other.
You know him as TJ, don't you?
TJ, Mike, TJ.
Is that what he goes by?
I really probably TJ. That's his name. Yeah, I really don't.
Well,
TJ.
Yeah, that's what you call him, right?
No, I don't call him nothing at all.
What do you call him? Brother?
No, nothing. I'm just my boy.
My boy.
Yeah, my boy. Like.
So I appreciate your cooperation. I am not going to lie to you in one way, shape, or form. We're going to refer a charge down for operating without motor vehicle consent passenger down to the DA's office. Mm-hmm. What they decide to do with it, that's up to them. Mm-hmm. Okay. I've seen a lot worse and not get charged, and I've seen a lot less get charged. So
that's all good.
You knew the car was stolen. You shouldn't have been in there. You had plenty of opportunity to get out before the pursuit started, right, man?
No.
So
there was no way.
There's no way.
No. Like
what about when he pulled up at all those places?
Most definitely, like, I am like, I don't like.
So that's what I'm saying. I hope you learned something,
Yeah,
right? Because if you know the car's stolen, you shouldn't get into it, right?
No.
And the second you see that broken window, you shouldn't believe his BS story, right? Because now he's getting you hemmed up. Okay, so we'll see what the DA's office does with it.
Ultimately, the 18-year-old was charged with felony, vehicle fleeing eluding an officer causing property damage, second-degree recklessly endangering safety, operating a vehicle without consent, bail jumping ×4, misdemeanor, hit and run, and he was eventually released on a $1,000 cash bond. In May 2025, he was found guilty of fleeing eluding, second-degree recklessly endangering, and 2 counts of bail jumping. All of the remaining charges were dismissed. The 19-year-old male friend was only charged with misdemeanor operating a vehicle without consent, passenger. His charge was later dismissed on the prosecutor's motion. Ultimately, the 18-year-old driver was sentenced to 2 years in state prison, followed by 3 years of extended supervision.
2 years for all of that? Come on, man. He almost killed that guy. Or well, it's already too late. I already done said it. But it's, man, yo, 2 years? Man, he should get, I'm thinking at least 5. Wisconsin, y'all light over there, man. 2 years? Did you not see the accident that he caused? Like, this guy had no regard for human life, man. That should have been a minimum of 5. I think 5 to 7 would have been appropriate. 5 to 7, 4. 5 to 7, 4 to 7, something like that. I think that would have been way more appropriate. 2 years? That's nothing. That is nothing, literally. It's crazy, man. These kids are nuts. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.